This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept float array. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays, and that subarrays themselves sorted and then merged. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array. Then I am calling a parallel sort method of arrays class and passing a float array. This method sort the float array content into ascending order. Here you can see the output, and here you can see the elements are arranged in ascending order. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.